Hey guys, silverGameOfThrone is here. No bullshit battle today. Today we'll talk about silver collections. I want to come back to silver collection and just show you, do some QA. You know what kind of silver silverGameOfThrone is stacking, why, what is behind all this. Let's do some QA, especially about collections. Because many people, I have a lot of new subscribers last days, maybe half silver, half crypto, and you know, and it's very interesting to see how other people are doing collections, how other people are stacking silver, what kind of silver you know, I need to stack, right? Many of you are asking, and I am a smart ape, 5 years experience. I will show you why I was stacking silver when everyone was hating, and what kind of collection are promising collection, what kind of collection, you know, give you the best buck of your stock, right? Best buck of your stock. I like it. Okay, so like, first of all, if I am going if I'm looking into new arrival, right, let's go through this site and see what, if do we really have the silver squeeze. So if I'm, you know, coming from, you know, all this, you know, gun in stock alert, so what kind of silver or gold we have? If you can look here, guys, it's all expensive gold. Oh, this is a platinum, and 1 kilo, we have expensive 1 kilo, right? And then we have maybe, you know, 1, 2, you know, coins to collect. For example, this one, right? So think about this. Maybe this is a good way to start your collection, because this is a rare piece, three-quarter silver reverse proof coin, okay? And they say it's a fifth design, right? I will show you why I prefer collection over anything else. And here I show you, this is my collection of this. You see, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 even. Okay, maybe it's a 2 collection together, but this 3/4 I built in 1 collection, and they have reverse proof, and they also have this Canadian, you know, wolf and you know, horn sheep, you know, just, you know, different kind of animals here. So just show you that I do collect all these rare pieces, because I believe in the end of the day they will give you the best buck of your stock. I like it. Okay, so nothing here, you see, this is 10 ounce silver, you know, like this type 2, like if I buy, I may probably buy 1, you know, just be aware what is on. I'm not fan of this American Eagle coin. I'll show you why later on. Yeah, really, you know, they sell paper, you see, because they have no really silver to sell. The cheap silver is all gone. They sell, and they have this 2 ounce, you know. I was stocking them. I think it's a 5th in collection. How many? 4th issue, yeah. But I sold them. They are not really easy to sell. You know, the 2 ounce silver, just be aware, it's much harder to resell, okay, than 1 ounce, okay? So this is GM bullion. Let's look into Apes, right? The same, what they have for sale. It's all this caricature silver, which I'm not fan. You know, I'm very critical about my collection, and last day I tried to rebuild. I only stack what I think the best of the best, based on my experience. And you know, maybe this is a nice piece, you know, Great Britain music legend. Again, for me it's like a round. Even it's a coin, for me it's kind of round. Can I build collection? You know, this is what it's all about. You see, can I build collection this? And it doesn't say anything about the first, you know, coin in collection. 25,000 sound good, but will it be collection? No one knows, right? So I kind of skip. If I don't see potential, I kind of skip. Nothing, really, nothing, guys, nothing here. You know, some, you know, collectible pieces I don't see, guys. Let's see SG bullion, dog deals, what I have. Silver, yeah, really, you know, it's maybe the cheapest silver to buy, yes, but for collectible items, you know, I say always do 2 sides of a coin. Stack cheapest silver and stack collectible items, okay? And relation between cheapest silver collection items should be probably 4 to 1. Let's say you have 75% of your stock just, you know, generic silver or 1 kilo or 10 ounce, and maybe 25% in collection, which will give you the best buck of your stock. Like it. Okay, now Provident, you see I pick up the tube of this prospectus, they are gone, and if I go from the end, you see from the end, add to cart, this is type 2, pre-resell, nothing, expensive gold, you know, expensive platinum, there's paper notes, I'm not fan, you know, the kilo silver, here and here, and really it's 2 ounce, you know, pop up, it also will be gone. 10 ounce, this Helena, hell expensive, 340 bucks for 10 ounce. Nothing, guys, nothing. This is what I show you, right? This is maybe, you know, one for your collection. Nothing. Okay, now let's go with Silver Game of Thrones and let's show you, guys, what do I mean when I say it, you know, stock collections. Stock collections, okay? So let me start. Okay, so Silver Game of Thrones was stuck in collection for years, guys. And here's some of my collection I show you. Lisa Parker, Unstock, Nordic Creature, Amy Brown, Mucha collection, Time, Door, Disobey, you know. And let's see how much they cost today. This is how much I paid. And you trust me, guys. When I stack these collections, okay? And people look on this and say, what? 30 bucks for a coin, you know, are you crazy? You are going to melt it for spot. I like these idiots, you know. You know, world is full of idiots. Just trust me, I know. And when you see this, you know, comments, you're going to melt it for spot. You know you need to buy it, guys. Because the universe works in opposite. Again, I will repeat it. Universe works in opposite. As less people stack it, as more back of your stock you will get back, guys. Let me prove it, okay? If I go here, I put proof, silver mocha collection, right? Mucha. Lisa Parkett, okay? Let's do Lisa Parkett, okay? Lisa Parkett collection. Okay, let's do Lisa Parkett collection. Then what do you have here? You don't have any, guys? This is only a Mucha collection. Lisa Parkett, right? Or what I have? Yeah, Lisa Parkett collection. You only have Mucha collection. And Lisa Parkett, I only found one coin, $100, guys. And 20 sold. So if I go here and look on 20 sold, 80 bucks average. 80 bucks average. So let's do the math. I have full collection. First of all, if you have full collection in 10-50% more, okay, just trust me. So if I do calculator, okay, and take this 90 bucks multiply 6 plus 10% will be $600, guys. $600. If I will divide this $600 on 170 what I paid, it's 3.5x profit. Okay, bye bye Bitcoin, bye bye XRP garbage, bye bye Cardano garbage. I made 3.5x in something which no one was thinking about when it was for sale. Okay, let's move on. You know, it's not about I am selling. It's about how to be a smart ape in a sea of this, you know, foolishment around you, okay? When everyone is telling you, hey, who needs this? Who needs this? You know, you melt it for sport. You know you need to stock it, guys. Okay, end stock or honest stock. Okay, let's do honest stock. Honest stock. Honest stock, okay? So, if I put honest stock, how much? $121. $169 1 ounce. It's not even, it's more than $100, guys. And there is nothing. Okay, let's do $121, guys. 5 sold. What is average? $100 average. Okay, and I'm having full collection, guys. I have 1 ounce and 5 ounce. Okay, let's do 1 ounce collection even. 1 ounce collection, 27. Okay, 27 multiple on 5. $135 I paid, okay, for this, for 1 ounce, okay. Today they cost $100, $500, okay. So if I do $500 divide on 135, 3.7x, guys. Are you listening to me? I was telling you for years, and trust me, I will give a link with all this collection. I was getting like 50 views. 100 views, guys. Why? Because no one interested to make money. Everyone interested in some, crowd videos. American Silver Eagle, something which everyone stuck, something which not many needs. But this is rare pieces. This is what I'm talking about. You need to find your way of stacking silver or gold, whatever, your way. Not that everyone is doing, but where rare people are doing. So you can really find your way. You can really make money. You can need to do exactly in opposite what everyone is doing. Okay? Trust me. This is the way. Let's go next. Amy Brown. Okay, Amy Brown. 7. Average $27 I was buying. Okay? Let's say $200 for full collection. Amy Brown. What do we have today for Amy Brown? Do you have a full collection? No way. You cannot find a full collection. It's only this Mucha collection, the full collection. So what is average? 37 sold. Let's look 37 sold even. What is average? 70 bucks, around 70 bucks. So if I take this $200, okay, if I do 70 on 70, it's $500. 500 divided on 200 is 2.5x. 2.5x here, guys. Let's do like Mucha collection. Finally, I found some Mucha collection, right? You see the Mucha collection? You have Mucha collection, yeah. I think I saw it somewhere here. Where is this Mucha collection? Yeah, Mucha collection. I found only one. $360 or $550. Which one you like, guys? If you don't think they are sold, look here. $500, $500, $430. Let's do $430 even dollar for full collection. This is 6. I have 7. He is missing 1, okay? I have 7 because initially they did this first round and they start to make another. So I have on the top, I have 7 even, okay? So let's say $500 and here we have 189. How much it is? $500 divide on 190. 2.6, guys. 2.6x. Next time. Everyone know time collection, right? 5. I was buying average $32, right? 140. Okay. This is the time collection, guys. They're also gone as a collection. This guy is selling only 4. There is 5. You see? He is selling 4. That's why he has discount. Because you see, missing 1 coin, it's already discount. Buy full collection, guys. And how much the average? $55. Okay. How much I have here? Twice. 27 average, right? 55, 27. 2x here. And same going on. So, guys, this is what I want to share you. Hello, silverGameOfThrone. I hope all is well. I even thought I do enjoy all your crypto videos. I'm sorry about this, but guys, I must to pump my channel. Otherwise, it doesn't make any sense. This is why I have for crypto. I have 5x more videos than for silver. You get more response. I really enjoy your silver videos. So people really enjoy, but there are not many. There are not many, guys, but they are smart apes. I heard in Mexican Libertad. Always remember, no BS from you. Just great advice and information. Guys, it's a no BS, guys. It's all real what I'm talking to you. Another guy, Gary, I hope you guys okay if I share with you because there is no personal information here. I really enjoy your video with Silver Shield or Truth Never Told. You're right, I don't recall you showing this collection before. The commentary was good. I knew that I don't have to tell you, Silver. Don't ever take a COVID KVD vaccine. People are waking up Don't let them trick into your putting that garbage in your body. It manipulate your DNA. It's not me, guys. It's you. Listen to smart people. Also, there is beginning to be sign evidence that who are vaccinated can spread the vaccine to those who didn't take it. Basically, vaccine can be contagious. Just put an order with GM Bullion for another 10 ounce man shy. Keep unboxing video, any video showing us the silver. I pray that we have many financial success due to the silver. You see, people are waking up. People are giving his comments. And this is what I am doing video for you guys. For the smart apes. I'm not doing video for these people who are ignorance. Who are doing ignorance, right? I'm doing this the video for people who has open mind, who can learn, right? No bullshit, all real, guys. So again, when you guys think, oh, who need it? No one need it. Look here, guys. Look here, okay? And look here. And look here. One proof set of mocha. Of Mucha collection. Sex. $500 sold. $450 sold. And see, last day it's going up. So how much one coin? $80, guys, with the silver pro spot today around $30. $80, 2.5 above silver. What you gonna say on this? Are you able to sell your silver eagle for $80? Think twice, guys. Just sharing with you guys. Okay. So I hope this video was for smart apes. For smart apes. Okay. Not for average. Okay. My channel will never get views, 1 million views, because 1 million people cannot be smart. It's only very rare, population of people can be smart. Okay, so be smart, be active. Okay, be thinking, positive thinking, guys. In the age of Aquarius, we need to be positive thinking, guys, and everything else will be coming to you, guys. The happiness, the prosperity, the financial success, you will have everything. Why? Because you are out of this box. You are out of this box. I like this through that door series, okay? You don't need to end like this guy, I'm dead, I did nothing. You need to explore all these doors, guys. This is why it's one of my best collection. You have many doors open. Go explore them. Don't be this one who is listening to all. Listen to all, follow none, guys. I always say this. I hope you enjoy from No channel. All the best. Bye bye. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit notification. All the best. Bye bye.